In this video, we are going to see that if your Discord is stuck at the checking for updates area and it doesn't continue, it doesn't move forward, here's how we can resolve it. First of all, what we need to do is just close any instances. That means if you're using currently Discord, just close out of here and just close from tray icon or wherever it is. Just quit Discord from everywhere and then just use this shortcut from where you use this. And what you can do is just right click and click on properties and select compatibility tab here. And in the compatibility tab, there is a compatibility mode which says run this program in the compatibility mode for just check this. And we have different versions of Windows. Let's select some other version. Let's say Windows 8, even though we are using Windows 11. And after that, just click on apply and OK. And what you can also do is just right click on this again, click on properties and click on the compatibility mode. And this time what you can do is just run the compatibility troubleshooter. So wherever compatibility issues are, you can just follow the on-screen support, click yes and no, and it will ask you to do different tasks. Just perform that and hopefully the troubleshooter may help you in this as well. And one thing you want to do is, although we always do right click and run the program as administrator, but if you want to set it as default, what you can do is just go to the properties again, go to the compatibility area and run this program always as administrator. Just set it to this option, click OK. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also tell me if this option worked for you. The worst thing that can happen is just uninstall as a last resort Discord and just reinstall it, but otherwise hopefully one of the solutions might work for you. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.